Spencer hesitating momentarily, but I think he wants to put the exclamation point on this. Maybe looking for the spiral tap here, Cody.
Come on, show that heart. Fight through the pain. Let me see it. Let me see it.
Spencer off the top, the spiral tap. Cover.
Whoa.
The former champion thought he had victory in his grasp. Alex Shelley somehow powered out of 2.
If I'm not mistaken, that's how Spencer wins most of his matches. Oh, here we go.
Spencer might be looking for the Artie driver. Countered by Shelley. Kick right to the gut. Spencer again looking for the driver. Again countered by Shelley. Oh! Hyper extending the left arm.
Oh. The knee, then the arm. Shelley's picking at everything. Oh.
Spencer caught the leg, and Zagiri connects. Uh-oh, oh boy. Oh, Spencer planted face first, covered.